Yes, my name is Bio Kamau. I'm an advocate of the High Court of Kenya and the advocate for the family of the late Agnes Wanjiru, with whom I am present today in court. We had come before Honorable Justice Muteti for the mention of the extradition proceedings which are facing a United Kingdom citizen who is suspected to have murdered the late Agnes Wanjiru, who disappeared on the 31st of March year 2012, and her body was found in septic tank 2 months later. Today we were coming for an update after the issuance of warrant of arrest against the suspect. The Honorable DPP of the Republic of Kenya was to come today through the State Council to appraise the court on what has happened regarding the warrant. We have been informed in court that the extradition proceedings have begun. The office of DPP has forwarded a request to the office of the Honorable Attorney General of the Republic of Kenya to make an application to the authorities in the United Kingdom to start extradition proceedings there to have the suspect brought to Kenya for trial. We have welcomed that move on behalf of the family. But we had an issue with the date the matter is supposed to come for further mention or trial. Since the office of the DPP was asking the matter be mentioned in January, we as the victims' lawyers, we objected, and we said this matter has taken too long. The state has dragged its feet to bring justice to the family of the late Agnes Wanjiru. So the judge has concurred with us and said that this matter should be mentioned every month, starting with the month of November 24th this year, so that the court can be appraised of the progress on the issue of extradition proceedings. Further to that, in accordance with the Victims Protection Act, Cap 79A of the Laws of Kenya, and Article 50 of the Constitution of the Republic of Kenya, the state has been directed to provide us with statements and all the evidence they intended to rely on in this trial, so that one, as the victims, we can assist the state with what we know, the evidence we have, and any other assistance we can offer to enable a fair trial. We shall also keep those documents, study them, so that the family can understand where the case is heading to and what kind of materials the state is likely to offer in evidence against the suspect. So far, so good. The orders have been given, and we are happy with the orders which have been given today, since they have been given in accordance with the law and justice. Thank you.
I'm the niece to the late Agnes Wanjiru and the family spokesperson. Today we are happy with how the court has directed, and we are hoping that going forward, this extradition process, if they can be able, they can fast track it, because the suspect knew what he had done and went ahead to joke about it. Again, as the family, we are calling for the change in the internal systems of the army, because they are the biggest challenge here. It's not only about Agnes, but even about other victims. Here today we are coming here to call for Agnes' long denied rights. But again, looking back, if we only serve Agnes' family justice and we don't do anything about the internal systems of the army, we are not doing anything, because they're the one who failed us. They knew what had happened. They joked, even the seniors joked, but never took any action. So that's why we are calling for the internal systems of the army to change. And I believe if the suspect will be extradited, it will help us to uncover that. Yeah, we are happy as a family, but we are hoping that this thing will be fast-tracked. Although we are aware that it might take more time, but we are hopeful that justice will be served. because we have been waiting patiently for more than 13 years. I think the extradition process was a nightmare to us, but at least now we are seeing the authorities are doing something. So we are also calling on the UK authorities as well to do whatever they can when the matter will be taken on their end, to do everything they can so that they can serve us justice, because they know how long we have been waiting, and we are still waiting, and they know this matter is taking a toll on Agnes' daughter. So we want justice to be served as soon as possible, and not only to Agnes but to other victims, and the change in the internal systems of the army. Yeah, thank you.